Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another, unboxing, unbagging. This is from Blissful Thinking Melts on Instagram, Blissful Thinking. On Etsy, really excited. I haven't been waiting too long for these, and these are very autumny. So let's get into it. Oh, so we just got a little handmade with love sticker, love holographic. Oh, it feels like I'm opening a present. It's lovely. Oh, and thank you for your purchase sticker to match. I really like this wrapping paper. And we're in. Yes. Oh. So we've got two little Hocus Pocus pumpkin wax melts, and then we've got this big boy. Unfortunately, this was my fault. I broke this in transit because it had to be in my backpack, but it's only minor. And this is the pumpkin spice wax melt. So let's just get this one open. So this is the bigger of the two. It smells like cinnamon. It's really nice. Well, it smells like pumpkin spice, but it's really cinnamony. And this is just a little bit that I managed to break off. And he just lives there. So this is the pumpkin spice one. And then there's just a thank you note from Blissful Thinking Melts. Thank you so much for your order and support. We hope you enjoy them. And then the two Hocus Pocus ones. I'm going to put this one back because this smell is very strong, very nice. But I don't know if I'll be able to tell the difference between the two. If we put this one back and just give this one a bit of a whiff. So, cute little purple pumpkins with white tops. Oh, this is sort of like a lavender vanilla-y mix. It's really nice. It's really like fresh soapy, floral, very floral. I like this. Sort of like, what are they called? What are the purple sweets? Palmer violets. Sort of like palmer violets, but a lot fresher than that. So yeah, as per usual, we're gonna have to get to melting, aren't we? So I'm going to do this Hocus Pocus one because I do have two of these and I think they're super cute. And I have a really bad habit of sort of collecting wax melts at this point. So yeah, let's get to it.